Welcome, fam. Coach Nate here. You woke up stiff, sore, and tired, but in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to loosen your spine, unlock your energy, and fire up your body so you feel strong, mobile, and pain-free all day. Most people don't stretch, or they stretch incorrectly, making them even tighter. Today, we're going to fix that. One of these moves will instantly unlock your lower back, but only if you do it right, and I'll show you how. The last move in this session is something you've never tried before, but you're gonna wish you had. Your back isn't just tight, it's holding back your flexibility, posture, even your energy levels. Let's change that today. Most people have no idea how locked up their spine really is until they try this next move. If you sit for hours, this is the exact routine you need to reverse that stiffness. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you at the end. Make sure to stick through the end and find out. I promise you won't want to miss out. Let's hit the mat. Your spine has been compressed all night or all day from sitting. Your body needs space, length, and oxygen. This move, it resets everything. Kneel on your mat, bring your big toes together, and sit back onto your heels. Extend your arms forward, forehead resting on the mat. Take a deep breath in, exhale, sink deeper into the stretch. I promise this one move will decompress your spine, open your shoulders, and instantly calm your nervous system. Beginners, keep your knees closer together for more support. Advanced stretches, walk your fingers forward and press deeper into the stretch. Breathe in, now exhale, and imagine your body getting heavier, sinking deeper into the mat. Now that we've created space in the spine, let's extend it fully and open the front of the body. Your back has been rounded all night, closing off your chest, making your posture weaker. This move, it reverses all that instantly. Lie on your stomach, hands under your shoulders. Press into your palms, lifting your chest while keeping your elbows soft. Keep your hips grounded, shoulders down, and spine long. I promise this move reverses bad posture, improves spinal flexibility, and even helps you breathe better. Beginners, keep elbows bent for a gentle stretch. Advanced stretches, straighten your arms for a deeper back bend. Most people tense their shoulders, relax them down, and feel the difference. Your back is open. Now let's add fluid movement and make your body feel light and powerful. Now that we've stretched the back and opened the chest, it's time to bring them together. This move creates fluidity, strength, and control in your spine. Start in child's pose, arms extended forward. Inhale, shift forward into cobra while lifting your chest while keeping your hips grounded. Exhale, push back into child's pose, sinking into the stretch. Repeat smoothly, flowing with your breath. I promise this move will wake up your spine, release deep tension, and make your entire body feel lighter and looser. Beginners, move slowly, keeping a slight bend in the elbows in cobra. Advanced stretches, push deeper into cobra and hold each stretch longer. Close your eyes, sink your breath, and focus on making the movement effortless. Now, let's move into the ultimate full body stretch, one that wakes up your spine, legs, and shoulders all at once. If you're only doing one stretch a day, this should be it. This move fires up your circulation, opens your hamstrings, and wakes up your shoulders. Start in the tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Tuck your toes, lift your hips high, and press your heels toward the floor. Push through your palms, keeping your arms straight and your spine long. Breathe deeply, paddling your feet to stretch the hamstrings. I promise this move will lengthen your spine, improve flexibility, and make your whole body feel energized and mobile. Beginners, bend your knees slightly to ease into the stretch. Advanced stretches, lift one leg at a time for a deeper hamstring stretch. Pause for a second, press your heels down just a little more. Feel that release? Now, we're taking this to the next level with a powerful dynamic move that combines everything we've done so far. This is it, the grand finale. This move combines spinal mobility, core control, and full body flexibility into one fluid movement. Start in a downward dog, hips lifted high. Inhale, shift forward into cobra, lowering your hips and lifting your chest. Exhale, push back into downward dog, pressing through your heels. Repeat, flowing smoothly with your breath. I promise this move will instantly improve your posture, strengthen your back, and leave you feeling strong, flexible, and ready for anything. Beginners, move slower and keep a slight bend in the elbows. Advanced stretches, hold each position for a few extra breaths to deepen the stretch. Final 10 seconds. Can you make this flow even smoother? Let's finish strong. Deep breath in, now exhale. Feel your body move effortlessly. Your spine is awake, your body is loose, and your energy is up. This is how you take control of your morning. Go check out the free gift I have in the description. It's going to help you stay pain-free and flexible all day. Click the link in the description or pin comment now before you forget. Your future self will thank you. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.